A plot to assassinate Herbert Hoover was uncovered in November 1928, as the president-elect embarked on a 10-nation goodwill tour of Central and South America. He's pictured with Chilean President Carlos Ibáñez del Campo. A group of Argentine anarchists led by Severino di Giovanni planned to blow up Hoover's train as it crossed the country's central lowlands. Fortunately, the plot was uncovered before the bombers could place the explosives on the rails. Severino di Giovanni was later executed by firing squad on February 1, 1931, as an enemy of the state.